Namaste, Khushro Bitia. Today's topic is ischemic heart disease, also known as coronary artery disease (CAD). Ischemic heart disease (ISD) is a condition in which there is an inadequate supply of blood and oxygen to a portion of the myocardium. Imbalance between myocardial oxygen supply and demand, caused mainly by atherosclerosis of coronary artery. It includes angina, stable, unstable myocardial infarction, heart failure, and arrhythmias. Atherosclerosis can affect any artery in the body, heart, angina, MI, and sudden death, brain, stroke, and transient ischemic attack, limbs, ischemia. Atherosclerosis, progressive inflammatory disease of the arterial wall characterized by focal lipid-rich deposit of the atheroma. Remain clinically asymptomatic until large enough to impair tissue perfusion, ulceration and disruption of the lesion result in thrombotic occlusion, distal embolization of the vessels. Clinical manifestation depend upon the site of the lesion and the vulnerability of the organ supply. Early atherosclerosis, second and third decade of life, tend to occur at site of altered arterial shear stress such as bifurcation. Start with any abnormal endothelial function, inflammatory cell, epidermolytically monocyte bind to receptor expressed by endothelial cells, migrate into the intima, take up oxidase, low density lipoprotein particles, become lipid macrophage of form cells. If form cells die, it releases its liquid pool in intimal space with cytokinase and growth factors. Advanced atherosclerosis in established atherosclerotic plaque, macrophage mediated inflammation and smooth muscle cell promote repair. Cytokinase released by macrophage start degrading smooth muscles layered over plaque. Now lesions remain vulnerable to mechanical stress that ultimately cause erosion, fissuring or rupture of the plaque surface. Any breach in the integrity of the plaque will expose its content to blood, trigger platelet aggregation and thrombosis. Risk factor of atherosclerosis, effect of the risk factor is multiplicative rather than additive. It is important to distinguish between the relative risk, absolute risk. Absolute risk, age, male sex, positive family history. रिलेटिव रिस्क में स्मोकिंग, हाइपरटेंशन, डायबिटीज mellitus, hemostatic factors, physical activity, obesity, alcohol, other dietary factors, personality, social deprivation. Risk factor, absolute risk, age and sex. Premenopausal women have lower rate of the disease than men, although this sex different disapparent after this menopause. Positive family history run in family due to combination of shared genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Smoking, strong consensus does link relationship between the cigarette smoking and ISD, especially younger, less than 70 years individual. Hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, diabetes mellitus, hemostatic factor, platelet activity. Physical activity roughly double the risk of coronary heart disease. Regular exercise increase serum HDL, low BP, collateral vessel development. Obesity often associated with hypertension and cardiovascular disease.